You already know what's stealing your life. It's sitting in your hand right now. You pick it up over 150 times a day, and every single time you do, you trade your future for a few seconds of nothing. Think about the last hour. What did you actually do? You scrolled, you watched, you reacted, and now that hour is gone forever. You can't get it back. Nobody can give it back to you. Here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. Your phone is not the problem. You are, because you keep choosing the screen over the work. You keep choosing comfort over the life you say you want. Every notification you chase is a dream you delay. The men who are winning right now are not more talented than you. They are not smarter than you. They simply decided that their attention is worth protecting. They made their time sacred, and they stopped letting a device decide what they focus on. You want a better body? Put the phone down and move. You want more money? Put the phone down and build. You want a sharper mind? Put the phone down and think. The answer is always the same. The action is always the same. Discipline is not about being perfect. It is about choosing hard over easy again and again, until hard becomes who you are, until focus becomes natural, until you stop needing distraction because your real life is finally interesting enough. 30 days from now, you could be the same person, still scrolling, still waiting, still wishing, or you could be someone different, someone sharper, someone who actually shows up for himself. The future you want is real, but it only gets built in the hours you stop wasting. Put the phone down. Start now.